Hey guys, and today we are going to be making another video about a Vax Power 6, 200 watts and 360 air watts. It will leave your house clean a house. Sorry for that. And then I have this hoover pet. And now I have this hoover. A for rating, 13 stars, and it's also a pet. So I haven't said this in another video. We have five pets in total because we have 1 cat and 4 dogs equals 5 pets. So I'm gonna just find a plug socket. What are they for? The Dyson. But what?
One of yours?
The one outside. Oh. Probably for the ones outside, but I don't know.
So you want to go and make sure they're with them so you don't move them.
Oh no. Sorry guys, I just need to put you against this box. So wait here while I just find the plug socket, yeah? If you can hear music, then my dad have some music on outside. So which one should I choose? The Vax, the Hoover Pets, or the Hoover normal? The Hoover not the Hoover Pets, or this one, this classic one, and this one. I know. This one with the Corby one, because it won't take me that long to go. We want Mr. Corby. It's hot. Every time where you are right now, and if you live in the United States, United Kingdom, is it hot? Because if it is hot, you are right. Wait. I'm just going to test. I have tested this. I have fixed its filter. The Vax. Because its filter thing wasn't working. So it's not on. Oh. So, 3, 2, 1. That one is over there, that's just been used. That one, this one, that makes this noise. That is the loudest. That is the quietest, and that is kind of loud. Next hoover we're going to use is this one. Unplugging. This will make my life easier. Come on. Life easy. Next is is this. Oh my gosh. Don't worry, I don't need all the cable, I just need a little bit of the cable. That should be enough cable. 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 So this was perfectly fine when it came in. When it came, it was just very loud. So let's turn it on. So that worked. I have tested all these before. They all work because I repair hooves. Remember, you find a hoover that needs repairing, bring it to me. If you need a hoover that needs repair, then just send it straight to me, because I'm the one who might be able to get it working. And if it does not work, maybe I'll help get my dad to help me. I will help me. So, this one is very quiet. You'll be able to hear once I turn it on. So, by the way, this hoover I'm going to use to hoover up all the feathers that are down here. There is feathers down here. So, oh, by the way, it is a smarter technology hoover. It does have a release handle this time. This one. That one doesn't. See? I can't take it down without pressing the release button. Why am I turning it off? Because, that one actually has a longer cable. That one actually has a longer extension one than this one does. But I don't care. This one's easier to take off than that one. You have to unlock that one. This one you don't. Oh my gosh! It always gets tangled around it. I hate that. That's the only fault about this hoover and that one. I made a hoover. I made a very long hoover. What can I use? I'm done. Yeah, that's going to be the end of this video. Bye.